Barcodes are one of those features of modern life that we just take for granted. Today barcodes are everywhere, but it's only been in the last 20 years or so that barcodes have really made it big. The modern-day barcode was first developed in the early 50s by Sylvania to identify railroad cars. The system was used a few years later at a toll bridge in New Jersey to scan cars as they went by, and then the U.S. Post Office needed a system to keep track of mail trucks as they went in and out of the yard. But that was it for the first 20 years. It wasn't until about 20 years after it was first invented that grocery stores started looking at barcodes to help them control inventory. This led a consortium of grocery stores to develop the UPC, or Universal Product Code, in the early 70s. This system made its first appearance in a grocery store in Troy, Ohio in 1974. What these grocery store owners wanted was a system that would let them control inventory better by eliminating the monotonous jobs of counting and keeping track of stock. By giving every product a number and making that number directly scannable into a computer, it became possible to streamline the process of tracking sales and keeping products in stock. It also let customers check out much more quickly, and eventually it led to self-serve checkouts in many mass merchandising stores. One limitation of the original barcode system, called 1D or linear barcodes, has been the space requirement. Linear barcodes are scanned from one side to the other, but matrix codes use a 2D arrangement of square cells in a grid. These take up much less room and can hold much more information, opening the way for using barcodes in more sophisticated ways. Barcodes are also being used in more and more small and medium-sized businesses to control stock and track the sale or rental of specific items. And these low-cost systems have leveled the playing field between large organizations with sophisticated IT departments and smaller companies that don't have the same level of resources. The availability of easy-to-use low-cost software has put sophisticated stock tracking systems within the reach of even the smallest company.
All the time you get products coming in that have a number of barcodes. If you want to quickly and accurately capture those barcodes with the laser, boom, 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 then very quickly you've got those three numbers, serial number, lot number, part number, all input very quickly and accurately. Can you just imagine how long it would take you to input all those numbers into your system when in a series of seconds you've had it accurately input to your system? So as you can see, the summary of the barcode scanners from WASP, from the low-end wand scanner through to the ruggedized barcode laser scanner, we're here to help you get more productive with your business.